Hey future millionaires, and welcome to today's free course all about how to grow and make money on Instagram. If you guys don't know me, hi, my name is Isabella and I have social media accounts with over 15 million followers combined. Some are completely faceless, some include my face. These accounts have also generated me millions of dollars by turning Instagram into a full-blown funnel that feeds multiple income streams. So whether you are an inspiring content creator or you're already doing it, but you want to get better at it, or you're somebody that wants to start completely faceless, or you have an online business or online store that you want to grow, this video is going to give you all my strategies and tips 100% free to help you guys do that. All I ask in exchange for the free education is just smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm and subscribe to my YouTube channel so I can continue to create free courses and videos for you guys just like this. As you guys always know what I always say, growing on Instagram is 0% luck and 100% strategy. Instagram is giving everyone an equal chance to go viral. And if you use these strategies that I'm gonna share in this video, you can absolutely be seen by millions of people, even if you're starting from 0 followers. So let's break down my 10 biggest strategies of growing an Instagram account from scratch. So make sure you watch this video all the way to the end so you don't miss any of these tips. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to grow, how to monetize, and how to turn your Instagram account into a cash flowing digital asset. So number 1, make sure you guys define your purpose. Why are you posting and who are you posting for? Who is your target audience? The more specific you can define who it is you're posting for and who your target audience is, the better content you're actually gonna create. So for example, when I started my dogs account, which I started completely faceless on, my idea was to create videos for a specific group of people, for people to make them happy, for people at home, maybe people that they like animals, kids, older people. I mean, everybody loves dogs, but I had still a very specific person in mind as I'm creating these videos because I actually think about the people that are going to be watching these videos. And I think that's what makes me a good content creator. And in regards to that, you also want to make sure that your page is not just you posting your family or you posting your besties or whatever, unless you are a family account, unless that makes sense. Like, you don't want your account to look like a personal account. You have to almost think of your account as serving someone else. So think about it, like, even if you get a viral post, if somebody sees your account and they see you're just posting like family or friends or whatever, like, they're not going to follow you because they're going to think this is just some personal like account that just went viral. Like, they have nothing to offer me. So make sure that that's one thing that you have in your mind. Remove all of that and clean up your account or just create a new one. And take seriously what you post and what you put out. My number 2 strategy is account programming, which is also niche training. You need to train your Instagram algorithm to show you things that are relevant to what you want to do. You can program your account to do this using what I like to call productive scrolling and only liking things that are in your selected theme / niche / what you are doing on Instagram. So for example, on my dogs account, I'm only gonna like things that are related to other dogs or their like pets or cats or whatever, because then I know every time I'm on that account, I'm only gonna see other dog content, which will then inspire me to create things that are relevant to my niche. Same thing with my personal brand. I only like similar and comment on similar accounts, so then I will be able to then only see those things. Now, it's not gonna hurt if you like and comment a friend's post, but if you're consistently liking a bunch of stupid memes, that's not going to do anything for you. If you're consistently just sitting there and sharing like, you know, memes that maybe are like toxic with your friends or whatever it is, it's like irrelevant to your niche. Instagram's just going to keep feeding you that stuff. So you have to make sure that your Instagram is on point. And again, you can have another account to send your friends the memes, but for that account that you are trying to grow, I need you to take it seriously and only interact with things relevant to that niche. I promise this will help you out so much. So now we need to understand what Instagram boosts. Instagram pushes 2 types of content to new people: Instagram Reels and carousels. There's no more growth with like single posts, like single photo posts. There's no more growth with that. Of course, we now and again see one that goes viral, but it's very rare. But the reason why Instagram is boosting this is because of one reason. Because these posts, these Instagram Reels and carousels, have more value. Not just Instagram, but people want value. They want to learn or be inspired or be entertained. And these types of posts deliver that the best. I also want to give you the best resources and tools to help you guys make your life easier as you're starting or as you're trying to grow faster or put out content faster. So if I were to start over, these are the tools I would use to work smarter and not harder. Especially because when I restarted my entrepreneurship journey in 2020, I was working and going to school in dental hygiene school. So I was very busy and it was hard to commit time into what I was doing. So I totally understand where you guys are at if you guys were also like me. Now, if you're serious about growth, leverage the power of AI, guys. AI, like I'm telling you guys, I have been using it so much. I started a brand new business this year. I used it. Like it's literally a lifesaver. It helps you work so much smarter and so much just faster, and it generates you ideas better. It just is literally the absolute best. So definitely integrate using AI with what you are doing. Just experiment some different platforms. The best AI on the market right now for this is this one, which is called Trend Assist AI. This AI can literally generate trending ideas for you and even help you create carousels with proven hooks and storytelling frameworks. So it will not allow you to ever run out of ideas again. It has all of these different AI assistants in the platform that are specialized based on data for each specific social media site. For the Instagram carousel feature, all you have to do is give it just a simple text prompt and it will literally generate an entire set of carousels for you that you can then use for your social media profiles. This is definitely the best AI coworker that I recommend every single content creator have on their side. Now, let's talk about crafting the perfect content that actually works. Now, of course, you can productive scroll, you can find trends like I told you before, like training your algorithm to only show you relevant things. Finding trending songs and videos that are already doing well and replicating them in your own way. You already know you can find them just by going to the Reels button or the Explore page, looking for the trending arrow, and saving them. But even with trends, I know how hard it is when sometimes you feel like you can't find any, or the ones that you're seeing, you're not really sure quite how you can replicate them yourself, even though it makes sense like to other people. This was like something that was a challenge for me as well. And you don't necessarily have to always be doing trends, but I do think as a beginner, a great way like into actually going viral is definitely by taking advantage of them. If you guys do want to go viral faster with real social media experts by your side, I definitely recommend you guys using this platform, Viral Wealth. Viral Wealth is an all-in-one growth system built for content creators and digital entrepreneurs. Whether you're just getting started or ready to scale, this platform gives you the exact tools to grow not only on Instagram, but across all social media platforms. You can use plug and play templates for viral content creation and monetization. You'll get weekly breakdowns of what's going viral right now and how to apply them to your own content. You also get 24/7 access to social media coaches for when you get stuck. Also provide personalized feedback on your own content and in-depth content reviews to help you fine-tune and perfect your posts. So if you are someone that you've kind of gotten started, but you just feel like you keep getting stuck or unmotivated, this definitely will help you to hold you accountable and to actually hold your hand as you are creating content and growing on Instagram along with all other social media networks as well. You may as well, if you're posting on Instagram, also master the other ones. So it's really a win-win scenario. And again, for these tools that I talk about today, I'll put these down in my description box below for you guys. Okay, now let's talk money. You guys know your Instagram and your short form content is a cash flowing funnel to your monetization streams. It should be doing and working more for you than just gaining followers. And I put these 3 monetization pathways together for you guys so you can understand better. So number 1 is external monetization. That's like selling digital products, having an online store, selling courses, selling physical products. You guys get now probably what that means. Putting the eyeballs that you're getting somewhere else that's outside of the social media platforms and actually growing a business from it that you can then even sell later on. That's a digital asset. So even with growing and creating these digital assets, it's never been easier. Once you have a digital product or offer, you can then create a stand store to put in your Instagram bio. This is a link in bio tool you'll see almost everyone using on Instagram. Your stand store will help you monetize in almost every single way as a content creator. Stand store acts as your link in bio whether you want to start a membership, sell your digital product online or online course, or offer one-on-one coaching or so many more. No matter what it is, you can set that up in minutes with your stand store. You can also set up your stand store either through your phone or laptop, whatever you want. And everything is handled through here. It's so user-friendly and it just helps you grow your brand and business in the most simple way possible. So what I would do is I would get my digital product made with Trend Assist AI. Once that's done, I would save it as a PDF. I'll head over to Stand Store, scroll down and click Add Product, select the digital product option, and then fill in my digital product info. We're gonna add a title, description. I'm gonna price it out. We'll make it just $24.99. That's like a very typical price for digital products, like low ticket digital products. You'll just upload your PDF right here, click publish, and now it's published to my stand store. Then in our bio, which we're gonna go over in depth soon, how to optimize this, we wanna make sure that we have a call to action pointing right to our stand store here. So as you're growing, as you're getting views, you'll be growing your business at the same exact time. People also actually like it when you offer something, and it makes your content a lot easier to strategize because you know, okay, I want to sell this. So you'll actually kind of have ideas of what to promote and how to structure your content to get people curious about your offer. So as you're growing your Instagram and as you're getting views, you're going to be building a whole entire business at the same exact time. I actually made an entire tutorial all about how to set up your stand store in depth. So I will link that down in my description box below for you guys. You can go and watch that to set up your stand store. And if you want to try out stand store, I also put the link for that down in my description box below as well. Now let's go over other ways of monetizing your Instagram account. Number 2, client work or brand deals. You can leverage your page to get paid partnerships. I know a lot of people in this space, and I know people that are literally making over $50,000 for a single post with some of these brands. Like this was like one of the most mind-blowing things to me when I first started. Because I thought okay, you can get paid like $500 a post at the most, like $200, maybe $1,000 if you really have a big brand. No, 6-figure opportunity, guys, with brand deals, it's crazy. And even myself, with my dog's account, we've had 6-figure brand deals, and it's just cute products. You wouldn't even know. You wouldn't even know that. So we've taken advantage of both external monetization and brand deals, of course, too, client work and brand deals. But this third monetization system, we also have received a lot of passive income from, which is platform bonuses. The most actually paid one that we have received is from Facebook. You guys probably wouldn't have even thought that. We've made the most money from views from Facebook. Of course, YouTube too. I would say YouTube is before, but out of Instagram, TikTok, short form content, Facebook is winning with that. But of course, YouTube is the highest paid platform out of all of them. But again, there's Reels bonuses, there's the TikTok bonuses. You can make a lot of money on all these platforms just passively, just doing what you're already doing, just making extra money, random money from that. Another strategy that I always use and I always make sure is on point are my captions. So captions are more important than people realize. Instagram's algorithm rewards posts that keep people on the platform. That means that even reading your caption, people opening it and reading it, helps your posts go more viral. So just use this 4-part formula, guys. The first line should be a short hook, which I always use an arrow emoji pointing down. Then you should have your body, which should be the story, advice, or tutorial, or just something you're describing in the caption. And then of course the CTA is follow for more, or you can say join my community, or a really, really great one is you can actually say comment that word, or comment learn, or comment get, or comment bed if you're doing affiliate marketing. You can say to tell them to comment a certain word, and then you can use automation. ManyChat does an automation thing where it sends the link straight to the person commenting, or you can do it manually. You don't have to pay for a program thing. You don't have to pay for ManyChat. I wouldn't do it if you're still new, but if you're getting hundreds of comments, then obviously pay. Use these strategies in your captions, guys, because it gets people to read more, to interact, and then they realize that you are offering them something. So it's very, very great to utilize this to the biggest ability that you can. And then of course, right under that call to action, you'll then put your hashtags, which we'll talk about in just a moment. So let's talk about hashtags. Forget the 30 random hashtags. 30 random hashtags is out the door. We're not doing that anymore. I want you guys to use 3 to 7 targeted hashtags. And also, guys, do not use hashtags like for like or anything odd. Use niche hashtags. Do not, for my dog's account, I'm using huskies, dogs. And the more new you are to Instagram, try to be more specific. The less that sometimes people have in the hashtags, sometimes it's better to use one that has maybe 10K uses instead of millions of uses. So try to just mix some broad ones with some more niche specific ones, and I think this will help you out tons. Next to the hashtags, you can also type in a couple of your keywords. I like to do that too. So when people are searching on Instagram, your video will pop up. People are searching less on TikTok now because TikTok has released or they've just been pushing the TikTok shop videos, and they're just not great for searching anymore. But Instagram is coming up on, I've been even searching a lot more on Instagram for things outfits or whatever I'm looking for, or furniture or something or inspiration than I do on TikTok. So just a good tip there to just put those, you can put a couple keywords next to your hashtags in the same section and people won't even notice it. And these just help Instagram to figure out what your content is about so that they push you to the right people, and then those right people interact, and then you are building an audience. Now, next tip that I have, guys, this is brand new. Not everybody knows about this and not everyone's taking advantage of it. And that is trial reels. My friend just started doing this with a brand new Instagram, and she gained 8,000 followers in 1 month. And she's now on her way to be getting brand deals and PR and so many things. So I'm so happy for her. But most people think trial reels is just to post a video and just hope see how it does, or post a new one and see how it does. No, you guys need to be spamming trial reels. I literally, guys, I kid you not, I gained over 100,000 followers in 2 months just by spamming trial reels. So treat the trial reels as a content spamming tool. Trial reels are automatically pushed to new people. That's what you need. So utilize trial reels as much as you can. And you don't have to be making any new content for them. I'm posting all my old content to trial reels and they are absolutely exploding. So even ones that already went viral, post them on trial reels. I've been posting literally 20 trial reels a day. So post as much as you can. Keep in mind though, not everybody has access to trial reels yet. I'm sorry, they're slowly rolling it out to everybody. As soon as you get it, like if you have it, you better be using it. But as soon as you get it, start using it. If you want to see exactly where to find that, you can just go like as if you're gonna go post a new post, click new post button, and then just scroll down and see if it says try a trial reel or if the trial reel option like pops up as an option when you go to post a video. Next thing to keep in mind is bio mastery. Your bio is your sales pitch. So how I like to do it is line 1, what's your niche? Line 2, what value do you bring? Line 3, put your call to action there. Point down to your link in your bio if you have one. Here's some examples for you guys. Try to add keywords to the name in your own profile bios as well. That's gonna help you out tons too. That's why like with both my accounts, I strategically did it this way. So Mika the Husky, for example, the Husky is literally in the name. So if people are looking up dogs, Husky videos, guess who's gonna pop up? My account. Also, you guys know Baddie in Business, my personal brand, which I now have over 3 million followers on, just so crazy. Baddie in Business is also business, not the body part. I don't want that, but the business part is what I was going for. I wanted just something that could just reign and like be fun, you know, have like a ring to it. So I strategically chose business as part of my name for people searching and for Instagram to know what my account is about. So the algorithm is in our favor. You don't have to do this. You can also just put your name and then put like a line and then just share like some things after your name and what you are about. So you can put fashion, lifestyle, makeup, or something like that. Whatever you're about, you can just put next to your name and Instagram will do the same thing. So it doesn't have to be exactly a part of your name, but it should be a part of your title and name on your Instagram bio. If you apply everything that you just learned in this free course today, you guys should already be seeing some results. Share your wins, guys, down in my comments below. I love to see your wins. I literally read almost all of your comments and I try to respond to as many as I can as well. You guys' wins make me motivated to keep going and continue making free courses like this. You guys already know, all I ask in exchange for the free education is just smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm and subscribe to my YouTube channel so I can continue to create free courses and videos for you guys just like this. And you guys, I have tons of other videos just about how to grow on social media. So definitely check those out on my YouTube channel right now. I have a whole playlist for it. And go to my 100% free courses playlist to develop your monetization streams because there's just tons of different things you can do. Again, if you don't know like what you want to start as well, I have videos for that too. You guys already know I got you guys in all aspects of your online business journeys. I have a video that will specifically help you find the right online business model for you. It's called Top Business Models to Start. So I'll put that also down in my link in my description box below. And of course too, everything you need to succeed, guys, in your life online is on my YouTube channel for you guys. So again, hope you guys continue to learn lots from my YouTube channel and I will see you guys in my next free course. Bye everyone.